Good afternoon to all. My name is Sakshi from 7B. Today we make a model of respiratory system. We will write bottle, straw, marker, balloons, scissor and tape. Then we want to cut it the straw in the equal position. So first of all we will mark it. We want to cut it. After we will cut it, then we want to take a balloons and cut it. Her rubber, only 2 balloons. So as you see, we have cut her rubber. Then we want to take a bottle and also mark on her place. Then we will cut it. So after we cut it, it's look like that. Then we won't only need this thing. After it, we will cut the straw in that side like that. So as you see, we are cut it. Then we want to add the straw on it like that. After we add it, we want to paste it with the help of tape. So as you see, we are pasted like that. Then we want to need a balloon and paste it like that. Paste it on the straw. So when you paste it all the things, it's look like that. After all, we want to take it and take the another balloon and cut it here, from here. After it, we want to take it like that and push. After we added the balloon on the bottle surface, then we want to take this thing and enter and so as you see, मैंने इसके अंदर ये straw रख दिए. Then we want to take the bottle cap and do a hole on it. After the hole, we want to take a straw and pull down it. So as you see, like that, and cover it like that. Cover it. So as you see, our respiratory model system are ready. When we pull out, the balloons are filled with the air. So try. We want to pull. As you see, when we are pull like that, the balloons are filled with the airs like that. Thank you.